Remote asset temperature monitoring, using RDL industrial data logger.
Build your comprehensive IoT solution in less time. Supporting multiple I/O options, with latest and legacy machines. Plug-and-play configuration manager that enables configuration of all I/O interfaces and protocols like JSON, MQTT, FTP. API made it easier than ever to monitor and integrate solutions. Data loggers are available in 3 different form factor: DIN rail, wall mount, and IP68. Remote and real-time monitoring system helps in achieving high operation efficiency. Protect your critical infrastructure with remote asset monitoring. RDL Technologies.
Connected intelligence.